Welcome back, beauties. My name is Jordan, and today I'm going to be talking about how I built my own backdrop. My inspiration really came from Pinterest. I love Pinterest. I love Pinterest. Everything. If I have an idea, I always resort to Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of ideas, The cheapest one I found was I did mine out of 3/4 inch PVC pipe from Home Depot. If you are interested in what I use for my inspiration, I will post a picture right here along with all of the equipment that I bought from Home Depot. And I just bought my fabric, my backdrops from Walmart. Obviously, you can go anywhere that is like a fabric store or whatever. And I've watched Desi Perkins, and she used 2 yards. And honestly, 2 yards of any fabric is perfect. So if you are interested to learn how I built my backdrop for under $20 in total, stay tuned and watch the video. we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.
Way too beautiful.